I hope now you know that the part of website which you and I able to see is made up of HTML and sometimes JavaScript also. And server is a computer just like yours, but it understands Python and PHP like programming languages, and it has web server and database installed which makes it a web server, right? Web server like Apache and database like MySQL. Now there are many other web server or databases available over the internet. You can easily find their names by searching on google.com, but I focus on Apache and MySQL because they have more share than their competitors, right? Now let's start with the first step, which is footprinting of website. So let's see what we will discover or collect information about our target website. So first we will find out its IP address. Then we will look for domain name information like the name of the owner which registered the domain, the contact number of the owner, the email ID of the owner, etc. Then we will find out what programming languages a website has used, okay, and other applications as well, like whether it is using Apache web server or it is using IIS web server, which is Windows based web server, okay, and what kind of database the website is using. Then we will see about DNS records. Then we will try to find out directories which are listed on the websites as well as which is hidden by the owner. And we will also try to find out other websites which are running on the same server. So let's open your browser and type whois, okay, whois lookup. Now let's open the first one. So whois is a database which contain information about the owner of a domain name. For example, if I type let me zoom it first so that you will able to see it. So I typed shubhamparik.in. It is a domain name. Now let's search for the information of this website, okay? By the way, this is my website and it's not working for now. If you try to access this website, it says website is down. Now it has provided some important informations like the website is 510 days old, okay, the website is created on this date and will expire on this date and is updated on this date, right? It also provide DNS server information like this domain is using Hostinger services, okay, so Hostinger is my web hosting company, okay. This is the IP address of the server and this is the IP location, right? Okay, now you have to fill CAPTCHA to gain more information about your target domain, and you also have to create an account with them. That way you will able to access some of the more information. So let's change another website which is who.is, okay. See, these are the similar websites which provide similar results. So let's try to find out using who.is, and I hope it will provide some other informations. Okay, data currently unavailable. So let's try on another website which is shubhamparik.com. Let's search for it. Okay, so it says registrar info is GoDaddy. So I have purchased this domain from godaddy.com, but it has already expired and I am not the owner of this domain anymore, right? I don't own this website now, but it says domain name is this, registrar is GoDaddy, and website updation, creation date. So the similar information is provided by who.is. So there is not much of a difference. You can also see DNS records clearly, which is not available on the previous website. So you will able to see the DNS records, okay, like CNAME, A records, etc. Okay, so these are the very basics where you can find out the information about the owner, about the IP address. Okay, so let's see one more method of finding IP address of a website. So let's open command prompt and type ping www.shubhamparik.in. okay, remember this is the same IP as we have seen from who.is website or who is database.